We're Jasmine Monsell Deluisi, and I'm the coordinator for Ntɨsinen Language Nest in Bultlodeck. Today I'd like to go over the first poster that we came out with to help families along their language learning journeys. Number 1, Dulugwen. 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 What are you doing? The next one is Gohoined. 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 What is that? The next one is Gohoinudan. 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 What do you need? The next one is Gohoimenuegen. 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 What do you want? The next one is Gerujuguen. 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 Do you want to come? The next one is Gewisin. 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 Are you hungry? The next one is Gedusamguan. 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 Do you want a drink? The next one is Geduduen. 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 Do you want to go out? And the bottom, as little sentence builders, we have go away. Go away. For what? Wola. Wola. For this. And Allah. Allah. For that. Okay, Wilalia. Hope to see you at the next video.